Hi guys, welcome to another AskMC tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use and buy tokens on Robinhood wallet. However, before we get started, if you find the tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So guys, first download the Robinhood wallet either from your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you have. So once done, you'll have an interface like this. So you could create a new wallet or import an existing wallet if you want to use one of your previous wallets like MetaMask, OKX, or any other wallet. But we are going to create a new one in this case. So let's tap create new wallet. Let's wait for it to load up. Let's secure pin. So I'll just tap remind me later, but ensure you back up before proceeding. Okay, so let's tap let's go. Your wallet is ready to use. So guys, currently I have $0 because I just created the wallet. On our screen we have a we have a couple of options. You can view, for example, your current portfolio. It says 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and a year. Then in here there are a few options. You can swap, send, and receive. Okay, and if we swipe from left to right, we are going to be able to see our wallet addresses. You could see your wallets and your wallet addresses as well. Okay, this is where all the chains are. Okay, if you tap deposit, you are going to choose which token you are going to deposit in. Okay, if for instance we are depositing Ethereum, you just tap Ethereum. You could see a message that says scan the QR code or copy the address to receive ETH on Robinhood chain, Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Okay, so you just tap here to copy. Okay, you tap this icon to copy. Okay, so you then send either from an exchange or from another wallet. And if I go back, we have the withdraw option. Okay, we have no crypto to withdraw in this case. Okay, and to make swaps, you could see the withdraw option right here. You just tap swap. You could see various chains. Okay, these are the various chains this wallet supports. We have Robinhood, Solana, Ethereum, Base, and others. So if you want to make a swap on Ethereum, you just tap Ethereum. And if you want to swap your USDC ETH to Ethereum ETH, you just input the amount of USDC you are swapping. If to say we are swapping $2 worth of USDC, you input that and then tap review. Okay, so after this, let's head back. So right here is where you get to see all the trending tokens, and we can tap discover more to have more options. You get access to gainers, top losers, volume, and market cap. Okay, and if you look at the token, let's say you could see various tokens, right? So if you look at the token right next to it, it's gonna have a little symbol of which chain it's launched on. For instance, this Rise AI, right next to it there is a symbol of BSC, which means it's launched on BSC chain. You can tap to view its chart, and you can tap buy to purchase. Okay, you can purchase it using BNB since it's launched on the BNB chain. And then at the bottom left second icon we have perpetual. Okay, this is where you can leverage trade. Okay, and then the last icon at the bottom right, that's the globe. Okay, let's tap it. This is where you can actually use Uniswap, Bridges, and other DeFi platform using your Robinhood wallet. You can just tap, swap, earn, bridge, and a lot of things. That's basically it on how to use Robinhood wallet, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.